Hello and welcome along. We have a unboxing video. I ordered on eBay and went to a wrong depot, and I came to Glastonbury Town Depot and they didn't get a chance to notify me that it had come into the depot, and I was waiting around all day. And so I had to go to the depot to see what was up, and I have done so. Nicely wrapped. There we go, and it's Queen News of the World box set. Okay, that's the box. It looks nicer than I expected. Hold on now. I've seen a load of rough bubble wrap in the... There it is, that's a nice box. So... Oops, we look at that later. We on bubble wrap. Nicely wrapped. Hold on now. So as I said in a couple of other videos, if you are watching, we have quite a few unboxing videos ahead. We might have a Band-Maid unboxing today. Might be double one because that was supposed to come yesterday and it didn't. And there's two albums, Epic Tales and Brand New Made. So they're on their way. There's the box. So it's News of the World, you already know the title. So it's 40th anniversary. Hold on now, hold on. There it is. You don't have to struggle with the rest of it. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, hooray, that went on to the that went on to the couch. So there we are, Queen News of the World. And actually I saw a thing, London Mint, and they have an Elvis Plectrum, silver Plectrum. I might get that. So here we have, and I can read the typos. Hurrah! News of the World 40th Anniversary Edition. Vinyl LP Pure Analog Recut. Then CD1 Original Album. CD2 Raw Sessions, new alternative versions of all the tracks. Then CD bonus track collection. Then we have DVD, the American documentary. And then there's a booklet. I won't go into those typos, I can't read them, but I can read those. So there we are. Queen News of the World. Unsealed hype sticker. Will the hype sticker survive? Let's unwrap. And we have a got it for about 170, I think. Oh, that's good. Now whether this is a fake one or not, I don't know. But I'm on two minds about AliExpress. I can understand why they do it, because the record companies used to have a budget section, and they don't anymore. Everything is overpriced. So in steps AliExpress, so you can get all your stuff. So there's it has survived, but will I keep it? Possibly not. We go over there, over you go. This is what the box set looks like. Unsealed before we open it. So I have a 30th edition version of Night at the Opera. And it's just in a nice digipack. Okay, that's the box. That's the... Ooh, that's cool. Very cool. And we have... Oh! winter tour. We can do that. I can put that on. Then we have. Oh, hold on, that's the booklet. I thought it was a poster, and I was trying to pick it out. But there's a nice red ribbon. And yeah, we'll have a look at that. Oh, and that's all nice and sealed as well. Lots of unwrapping here. And this is, I think these might be the CDs. Tested by Psychic Powers. Hold on. Oh, this is all the swag. Okay. Mr. Deacon. I think the word music misses John Deacon and Freddie Mercury. There's John. There's Brian. Trying to get his Seiko watch. Lovely looking watch. Then Roger Taylor. Then Bold Freddy. And there's the band. Excellent photos on good quality paper. Ooh, that's the wee walls going along. I can't tell the difference. Is it the fire engine? I don't know. Is it an ambulance? I think it might be the fire engine. I live not too far away from the fire station. There's News of the World. Lots of swag. Oh, this is well worth getting. And oh, Money Spider typos from the fan club. I once visited their fan club after when we were in England on 1985, and we went from Somerset to London, and it was after the Wembley concert in Live Aid. I went down and I found the fan club. I had a look in and see if the band were there, but obviously they were not. So, and then a few months later, a note appeared in the fan club, and it said, "Please call the fan club before you come visit." So, if you're in the fan club and you remember that was me. That was my fault. So hold on, this is all over the place. Hold on. Lots of swag. So I am impressed with that. And lots of pictures. Typos too. So we put them back. So Brian, the life of Brian. And put that's all in there. And then I think we have a big poster. Ooh, hold on now. That's the kit for the swag. Look at this. This is huge. Hold on now. There's more than one. I saw a nice t-shirt of this. Full t-shirt. I'm trying to get the sweatshirt version. Because, you know, it's winter. Hold on. Two versions of this. Oh no, that's the outside. And that's the inside. There we go. And then we have this one. Queen News of the World 40th anniversary. So I was kind of wondering if this was a fake or not. I don't think so. I really don't think so. And here is the reproduction. And let's open up. I think it is anyway. And then we have another one in here. So lots of stuff. I have the America on order as well. And I've seen a box of tricks in a local store. I'm kind of tempted to get that one as well. So hold on. Yay. So I do have a copy of the album on vinyl here in Glastonbury. It's the original vinyl. Ooh, it is, yeah. There we are. Stock rock, I wonder. And then here's this vinyl. Oh, very nice. All this stuff in the vinyl. Nice and heavy too. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm kind of tempted to get a box of Tricks. And then they have, I was looking at it on eBay, they have all the original studio albums on box set for stupid money on eBay in coloured vinyl. And then they have it not in coloured vinyl, and it's very, they're very reasonable priced on the non-coloured vinyl. So if you wanted the colour vinyl, and the colour vinyl is absolutely beautiful, you have to pay. Oh, another book. Okay. Okay. Where's? I think the CDs are in this one. Otherwise, I just have. Yeah, they are. There's the CDs. We have more stuff to look at. Yeah, hold on now. Oh, I'm quite impressed with this. Very impressed. Wow. Ooh, I'm happy. Nice way to start the morning. Visit the world. There we are. And there's the CDs. And let's take them out. So we have There's the world. That's cool. Wonder how that Big Head and the Miracle album will look in a box set. So I noticed they didn't put it on the cover of the box set. Then we have bonus tracks. So a CD of all the bonus tracks. And then we have, I can't see that. Hold on. You can pause it there and have a look. Rare Sessions or something like that is what it's called. Cannot make it out whatsoever. And then this is the DVD documentary. So you have 3 CDs. You have the album on CD. You have bonus tracks and rare sessions. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with all of this stuff. It's really good. And yeah, be looking for more places to put Queen posters. So okay, nice extra video today. I'll still have all the regular Saturday stuff up. Thank you for all the views, the comments, the likes and the shares on all recent videos. They really mean a lot to me. And as I said, we have lots of unboxing videos ahead of us, and we look forward to seeing you on those videos and the normal videos too. Thank you, and have a very good day wherever you happen to be.